Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here for week 4 of my plan with me or my setup for the week. So I didn't get the chance to do it last week, so I just did like some a quick little spread. And so, and I didn't get to record it. I just relaxed, watched TV and created. So this week I am going to create for the last week of, March. Yeah, so the last week of March. So I've already started my meal plan. So this time I'm going to do my meal plan. And then on the back, just I have little post-its in case I need to do notes for like things to buy or things to write down, notes to jot. So this is already set up. So I'm going to start doing a meal plan and kind of an exercise tracker. And at the end of this video, I will show my haul for the Bullie Belle sticker collection. So that's what I'm using. I've already used some of those up. So yeah, so I will be using a few of these this week. I'm going to use these stickers up this week. Hope to use these, so we'll see what happens. So I'm just going to speed this up, and then there will be a voiceover as well, and we'll get this created. So enjoy. Okay, so as you can see, I went ahead and taped up the borders with the washi tape already because I didn't want you to have to sit through the torture of having me cut and all that, the borders. So I just used the washi tape from the kit and then the glitter tape that I had in my stash. So I also had that blue glitter tape. It's a little bright though. That came from Close to My Heart. I got that a few years ago. So I decided to use it, but yeah, it was a little too bright, but I guess it all works out at the end. It's just sitting in my stash anyway, so, and I have like a lot is on the roll, so I thought it'd be fun to use that. So now I am just splitting. I only split Monday and Tuesday because not much going on. And at first I was going to split Wednesday and Thursday, but I was like, no, Wednesday I have some cleaning and some stuff to do. So I decided to keep the cleaning. I decided to keep Wednesday as a bigger box. So now I am putting the days stickers and the date stickers on the blue glitter tape. So where I split it up. So as you can see, the glitter tape, I may have to like add some extra glue to the backing because it does it may come off, but so far it seems to be staying on okay. So that's what I'm doing right now. So now I decided to add the little flag. My gosh, the little to-do checklist for Thursday because like I said, I had a lot to do, and then I'm going over now this page. I know it looks a little odd. So the back part of it starts the 20th because I had decided to do like a daily to-do for the week. I experiment a lot, so sometimes things look a little odd with, pages and stuff. But I didn't want that page to go to waste because the other pages that I used on the back is double-sided. So that was an extra page. So instead of using another Webster's Pages blank page, I just used the Cocoa Daisy Daily To Do page and just split it up into 3 days, which is the Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So now I'm looking for my glitter tape because I want to split up Saturday and Sunday, and it's actually right at the side. So now I'm going on to the next process and just finding some stickers that I want to put down. So I wanted to use that banner or that checklist is from the Mommy Lay Design October a kit. Like I said, I want to use up a lot of my planner stickers that I have in my stash. So you will see some extra stickers. I put that card there because we have something to do on Friday. So I'm going to fill that in. So I wanted to use that to-do sticker. Excuse me. So I put it on top of the schedule at first. I don't know. I was kind of fumbling around a little bit with it. So I kind of changed it a few times. But yeah, and then I decided to add the little girl that was from that same kit. Now looking for some more stickers to add. I had so many sheets. I don't know if I should have so many sheets because I know it seems like it's taking a little time. Okay, so there we go. So now I'm putting down that I need to go grocery shopping. And honestly, I don't know if I'm going to go grocery shopping Wednesday or Thursday. So yeah, I probably should put that question mark right on the side right there because I know I'm going to have to go grocery shopping again. So now I'm just adding my little checklist flags to the page. And just so you know, the blue heart one, I end up moving because it's a little bit too big to go right there. But yeah, so now I'm just using those deco stickers to add a few things that I need to do. So right there is because I need to check my son's online schooling. So I added the little laptop because I don't know what else I would use that laptop for. So I use that for that. And then I had those cute little hearts. Since it's Easter weekend, I decided to add those there. And of course, you got to add the little feathers and the, oh gosh, paisley. I went blank. Yeah, I think that's what they're called. I haven't seen those in so long. So now, just trying to use up some stickers. So throwing some hearts on. Can never go wrong with hearts. Gotta be positive about the week. And I just noticed when I did my week 4, it's a little plain at the top. But yeah, oh well, it's done. So I can always add something later. So there I go. Added those hearts. Now I am adding, oh my goodness, I'm a little bit out of cue right there. So I'm putting that sticker somewhere. Okay, so I'm moving a sticker now. Ah, that's the Happy Mail sticker. I need to deliver some mail. So, oh, Happy Mail, whatever kind of mail. So just need to go to the post office. So I decided to put that envelope there. And at the top, put the plan sticker. And looking for some more stickers to use up on this double page layout. There we go. So I'm just going to add some more of those flag. Why do I keep going blank? Checklist. Yeah. So what I think I'll do is I will kind of stop this and skip this part so you don't have to look at all of this. But that was basically it. It's just adding the rest of those little check mark flag thingies on. And yeah, so you don't have to hear me yap about it. So the wonders of editing. So I'm just adding like the recycle and the trash stickers there. And that pretty much completes my spread. So I hope you enjoy it. And now I'm going to go live. Talk to you soon. Okay, as you can see, I struggled a little bit with this layout. Um, it's very colorful. At first, I didn't know if I liked it, but you know, it's okay. It's just a simple little spread. So yeah. So, but I used up a lot of stickers. Some of these stickers are already finished, but I used up almost all of these. So I may just throw some more on here. I used up some of these from Bullie Belle shop. I used up all of these except the question mark. Let's see. I used up a lot of these. I used up some of the samples she gave me. I used some letters this month. I have bought 2 of these, so that's why if you see them, part of them I gave the numbers to someone else, and then, yeah, then I used that up. I used up most of these stickers. I used up, I think, these 4 for the month. And yeah, so only a few more. And look out for my unboxing tomorrow, or I'm going to film it tomorrow. Hope to get it up. Today is Monday the 26th. Hope to get it up by Tuesday, Wednesday time frame. So keep a lookout for the April box, Cocoa Daisy box. Take care. Bye. Hello everyone, this is Jen and I'm here for an unpackaging. I ordered some stickers off of Etsy from Bullie Belle. I will link her Etsy shop below. And I saw her stickers off of the, well, I saw her video and I also saw it in a lot of the ladies in the Cocoa Daisy group talked about her stickers and how they match the kits. So I wanted to share my order. So this order is from the, oh wow, it matches the theme from the Cocoa Daisy theme for the peacocks. So she sent this tassel. Wow. And also a clip. So here is the name of her store, Bullie Belle. Wow, look at that presentation. Beautiful. So I'm going to unpackage this. I am so excited about this. And please support her shop. She makes some wonderful stickers. She does Erin Condren stickers, box stickers, and you'll see my order. The wind is so heavy right now. I don't know if you hear it. I was gonna open up the door and it was whistling through my glass, so I had to open the glass, but you could hear the wind through the wooden part of the door. It's like a double pane door, so sorry if you hear the wind. It is very windy today. But anyway, let's see. Oh, look at this. So I ordered the March functional decoration stickers, 3-sheet date kit, the hexagons and circles, the appointment boxes, and the decorative icons, daily life. Look at those colors. This is actually really beautiful. So these are just some extra freebies that she sent. And there goes the feathers. And then I am not good at all the, I think this is a habit tracker, the names of the different stickers. They look like samples. Wow. So pretty. Oh, I like that. Now we eat Sicilian pizza all the time, so that'd be perfect for pizza night. My kids love to eat fruit. I can use this for the gelato. They also give us fries with our pizza. These icons would work wonderfully in my planner. Oh, look at that. We're shopping. Aww. So adorable. Her stickers are so cute. For St. Patrick's Day. Wow. And this says random thoughts and lists and such. I like that. Wow. Okay, so here, oh, this must be another freebie, I guess. It almost looks like a sampler. Very cute. Can't wait to use this in my planner. So here we go. So here's the functional deco stickers. Very cute. Look at that sloth. So cute. So I ordered 2 of these. And then this one, daily life icons. Very nice. Now I wish I would have got 2 of these. Very nice. And then this must be a washi tape sample. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you guys hear the wind. It is so strong. I am so sorry. Okay, and here, this is the date kit. So I got this a little late, so what I probably end up doing is using these for future dating, because I know I'm not going to use all of my pages for the peacock for this month, but that is gorgeous. And I can also use it for homeschooling. So those colors are beautiful. Wow. And then here's, so yeah, so this all comes together. So it's like for the month, a date kit for the month. Okay, so those, and then get these, and then that comes off like that, which I like because that would be perfect for my A5 planner to put a strip at the top. Feathers, very cute. And then these hexagons and circles. So what I'm probably, oh yeah, and I got the boxes. So these are the hexagon and circles. See, I forgot that quick what I got. Really cute. And these are the, is it half boxes and quarter boxes, I believe, and some flags on the side. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my channel. I hope you have a blessed day. Bye.